Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another fascinating journey into the past around the world. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
I say the weather in Cornwall is delightfully unpredictable. You know, one minute it's raining, the next it's pouring. That's British humour for you, always a silver lining. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. Why don't American oysters donate to charity?
Because they're shellfish.
Savez-vous pourquoi les fantômes n'aiment pas la pluie? Parce qu'ils ont peur de se dissoudre. N'est-ce pas charmant? Sai perché gli italiani non prendono mai l'ascensore? Perché hanno paura di rimanere intrappolati tra il piano A e il piano B. Ah, capito? Hvorfor var bonden så flink til å fortelle vitser? Fordi han hadde så mange pløyer!
I must ask, why do you lick yourself in public? It's natural. You're just jealous you can't. You can speak, I never knew!
You never asked.
Fair point. Most irregular.
Why did the golfer bring 2 pairs of pants? In case he got a hole in one. Kennst du den? Kommt ein Mann zum Fotografen, sagt der Fotograf, bitte recht freundlich.
Und was sagt der Mann?
Der Mann sagt, nein, ich bin links.
Sehr gut.
My dear, these years have flown.
Indeed. But we've been happy.
Yes, I wouldn't change a thing.
Nor I. You are my heart.
And you are mine.
Er was eens een man met een gebroken been. Hij hinkte naar de dokter en zei, dokter, ik heb een grap. De dokter vroeg, wat dan? De man zei, ik val steeds om. Why don't oysters donate to charity? Because they're shellfish.
I told my husband he was drawing his eyebrows too high. He looked surprised.
That's a good one.
One must keep a sense of humor.
Indeed. Your wit is as sharp as ever.
Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share it with your friends, subscribe, and many thanks all for your kind comments. Take care and have a wonderful day.